morning. It is 6:30. What a beautiful morning. Time to start the day. Noah, wake up.
5 more minutes.
Come on, Noah.
I am tired.
Good job, Noah. Let's wash your face.
Okay, Mom.
Mia, are you awake?
Yes, Mom!
Good morning, Mia.
Good morning! You look sleepy. I am awake. Really?
Bathroom first.
I am first! No, I am first! I won! Oh!
Good morning, Noah.
Dad was first!
Brush your teeth.
I am faster. We will see.
Time for breakfast. Everyone is awake now.
I win. Next time.
I am ready.
Race again? Ready.
The house is awake.
What should I wear? Where is my shirt?
That smells good. Good morning.
Good morning. Coffee?
Yes, please.
Where is it? This one or this one?
The kids are quiet.
There it is. Not my shirt. I like this one.
Looks delicious.
They are very quiet.
Finally. Perfect.
Should we check?
Maybe. I will check. Kids?
Looking good. I look nice.
Are you ready?
Almost.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, Mom. I am ready.
Much better.
Thank you, Mom. I am ready too.
You both look great.
We are ready.
Let's go downstairs.
Here they come.
I smell pancakes.
Me too.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dad.
You look great.
I am hungry.
Breakfast is ready.
Wow! Pancakes!
They love pancakes.
Let's eat.
These pancakes are delicious, Sarah.
I'm glad you like them.
So good. Pancakes are the best.
You are eating fast.
I am very hungry.
Slow down, Noah.
Okay, Dad.
Thank you, Sarah.
You are welcome.
I like orange juice.